Hi friends, Gemini recently released a way to create music. You may have seen it, but haven't played with it yet. So let's take a look at how we can use it. So we're going to head over to Gemini and we're going to go to Tools. Once we are in Tools, we're going to go down to the option for Create Music. And what it's going to do is give you a list of different musical genre templates to choose from. And then all you have to do is describe your track. And what it will create for you is a 30-second audio track with lyrics and vocals over your described option. So what we can do is we can put in a prompt, save us some time here, create a song about the flow of energy in an ecosystem for sixth graders. And then I can choose my song type. So I'm going to go to the genre of emo. Who doesn't love a good emo song? And I'm going to go ahead and hit submit so that it will go ahead and create it for me. Now you might be thinking, Lori, how am I going to use this in my classroom? Lots of different ways. We can use this as a warm-up activity for our students. They can come in and listen to it or in an intro or a hook into my lesson. We can also use it to wrap up at the end of a unit or lesson as well. We could have students take the song and analyze that lyrics to say what was left out, or maybe what are some other important details that we can add in some lyrics into this song to create. So lots of different options that you have there for using this in the classroom. Additionally, if you are using Gemini apps as a core service in your Education Google Workspace environment, you are limited to 10 music generations a day, and that is a 24-hour period, so 10 per day. So Gemini created it for me, a Midwest emo track about the flow of energy. So let's go ahead and listen.
The sun gives up its energy, a radiant transfer for all to see. The plants all grow up strong and green, then something eats them, if you know what I mean. But energy is lost at every single trophic level. It's lost at every single trophic level. Then decomposers break it down. Break it down.
30 seconds. Great little song, right? What we can do with this is we can then download this. It'll download it as a MP3, as an option for an MP3 only, or you can download it as a video MP4 with that cover art. If you're looking at it in Gemini, you can also show the subtitles as well, and it will give you subtitles for the music. Now, let me go create another one because you aren't limited to just the genres that are here, although these are some great genres that are available to you, but we can also describe the genre that we want it to create. So in this case, I have it create an upbeat pop song in the style of 90s boy bands about the 3 branches of government for 8th graders. So let's see what Gemini creates for this one. Now, obviously, it wasn't that quick, but I'm saving us some time here. So this one created a upbeat boy band style pop song about the 3 branches of government. So let's give this one a listen as well.
Yeah, girl. It's just the 3 of us tonight. Legislative writes the script, yeah. Executive gives the final word. We're a perfect system, baby. A balance made in heaven for you. And judicial makes the final call, girl. We'll never let your heart fall through. We got that separation of powers. Ooh, it's our love, strong foundation.
I hope y'all are envisioning like Backstreet Boys or NSYNC singing that song with some nice little dance moves in there. I know I was, right? So that is Gemini's Create Music. Again, just go straight into Gemini, click Tools, and then click Create Music to get yourself started. Let me know in the comments, how do you think you might use this in your classroom?